Can I ask you then, what would be your advice then for the next generation of insurance builders who are coming in as CEOs and may have a lack of experience? What would be your advice to the next generation of insurance builders?
Yeah, interesting. I would listen. I think listen is always a good advice. Listen to the people who are already in the market, and then think of who is on the one hand your client, and on the other hand, with whom you are interested in working together. And of course, you have to listen, and you have to be polite on the other hand as well. And if you say, I'm now coming with my, let's say it again, Wharton MBA, and I'm 25 years old and I'm wearing some red shoes and have my Apple laptop, and now I'm disrupting the world, that's okay. Yeah. Alexander the Great wasn't older than you, but maybe the better approach would be getting in touch with the traditional market, and first of all understand what you want to disrupt or find a better solution for. Because then it's much easier to building up great relationships with the existing market. Mm-hmm. Because just you say, I'm building up a startup and I have a better solution and here I am, the traditional market will not say, okay, you're right, this product is much better than our, so we'll go now and stage is yours. Of course not.
Yeah, I've heard this said before, that partnerships are incredibly important in the future of insurance. And I suppose we talk a lot about disruption, and I wonder if that sometimes is conflated with sort of going it alone. But disruption can be done in partnership. And I did hear Pravina Ladva say on her media day from Swiss Re about the importance of Swiss Re, and there's the whole digital strategy will be about partnerships. It will be about working with organizations that can help them do new things in new ways, but ultimately we need to be cooperating with the sort of the foundations of an industry. Otherwise, smaller firms aren't really going to be able to get going, right? It's a really difficult thing to do. So yeah, partnerships, that's really at the core of your business as well, right, Marcus? So it's really successful.
Yeah, absolutely. Risk Exchange hopefully will become an ecosystem at the end of the day, or should be. But there's the idea is great. You need on the one hand the policy holders, and you need on the other hand the risk takers who are interested in working with us. So of course, partnerships is I would say the most important thing for us, and getting an understanding for both sides of the market. Of course, for the policyholders, but also an understanding of the risk takers and their appetite, and to see why they are perhaps not interested in working with us, or why they are interested in working with us. Because then perhaps it's a homogeneous market. If A says yes, maybe the reason why they say yes make absolutely sense for B as well. So, as I said, listening to the current market experts and the let's call them the real CEOs in the market definitely helps. If you have the opportunity of a chat with John Neal from Lloyd's for 5 minutes, as we had during the Fusion days, it's really interesting what he's telling you, and these are the powerful guys within the industry. So listen and look how you can, I will not say assist them, or how you can develop something that which make them or make you interesting, so that they have a need for working with you together.